Good day guys. Solve muna tayo ng linear equations. Okay, solve the system. Okay, so 3x minus 2 plus 2y is equals to 16 and x minus y 2x minus y is equals to 1. Number 1 solution is yung elimination. Okay, so from the second, ito 2x minus y is equals to 1. So yung y is equals to, rearrange, 2x minus 1 tayo. So substitute into first. Ito yung 3x. Hindi ko ito ilagay. 3x plus 2 times yung y. Ito yung y. Ito na yun, no? So 2x plus 1 ay minus 1 is equals to 16. So ang variable na lang natin is x na lang. So we can solve for x. So compute natin. So rearrange. 3x plus 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, is equals to 16. So this is 3x plus 4x is 7x. Minus 2 is equals to 16. So 7x, transpose yung constant sa kabila, so magiging siyang 18. So magiging siyang positive plus 2 ito. So 18. So x is equals to 18 over 7. Okay. Then y, yung y naman is, ito na yung y. Okay, ang y is 2x minus 1 is equals to 2 times, ito na yung substitute nyo sa x, 18 over 7 minus 1. So magiging siyang 2 times 18 is 36 over 7 minus 1. Minus 7 over 7 na lang natin. Okay, 7 over 7 para magiging siyang equal to 1 naman siya. Ginamit na lang natin yung para may ma-factor out. So this is 36 minus 7 is para madali natin subtract yung fraction kasi this is equal to 1 naman, no? So magiging siyang 29 over 7. Okay, so x, final answer is ito, 18 over 7 and y is 29 over 7. So this is the final answer. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel kasi may naka-playlist doon ito. Okay? So see you